Paint hardness varies, and extreme softness or hardness can pose challenges when trying to achieve a clear finish. Additionally, changes in paint technology over time can affect how products perform, adding to the difficulty of achieving a flawless finish. It's essential to tailor your approach to achieve the best results. One effective strategy is to simply adjust the type of polish and pad for your use. Aside from product selection, there are several technique adjustments you can make to improve your finishing results. One crucial factor is to clean your polishing pad regularly, as a dirty pad can hinder finishing performance. Additionally, adjusting your application technique, including cycle time, pressure, and tool speed, can significantly impact the final outcome. For finicky paints, reducing application time can yield better results. Even switching to a different tool movement, such as a random orbital instead of rotary, can also make a difference. Ultimately, regardless of the adjustments made, pad cleaning at least once per panel remains the most crucial aspect of achieving a flawless finish on sensitive paint surfaces. By following these tips and refining your technique, you can overcome the challenges associated with achieving a high-quality finish on delicate types of paint.